Can you snort? Can you be a piggy? That's good. Oh my goodness. Gavin, be a piggy for mommy. Do a piggy. Oh, you gonna jump? All right. You're funny. Whoa. Did you say who's there? Who's there? Say hello. You didn't want to talk to them, did you? Hey, Gavin, snort for me. Snort like a piggy. What does the piggy say? Where you going? Where'd you go? There you are. Hi there. Hi there. I think Daddy's home. Is Daddy home?